Hey guys, this is Zion from Getting On Strategy. I want to tell you about a free mini course that is available to you right now on how to learn Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, just go to canva.com. It's an amazing tool. It's a way to do graphic design, create social media posts. You could create business cards, posters, t-shirts, all kinds of other things as well. I mainly use it for like YouTube thumbnails and social media posts, Instagram. It is incredible. They've got tons and tons of templates, and it's free. There is a paid version as well. I'm not an affiliate with them, but I highly recommend the paid version because I think it's totally worth it if you do a lot of graphic design. But you can do tons of stuff for free, and I highly, highly recommend it. I use it now strictly. I don't use any Photoshop. I used to use a tool called Pixelmator a lot, which is a great tool, but now I just use Canva all the time for all my graphic design needs. And I highly recommend you do too. Plus, it's web-based, so you can be anywhere. You don't even have to be at home, and you can use it on the road. You can use it on your phone. It's got a great mobile app. It's an amazing, amazing tool. You've probably heard a lot of people talk about it. So I want to give you access to this course. That's a little mini course I made for free. It'll probably take you about an hour to get through. There's 11 modules, but each module is like 7 minutes long. They're super easy. You can go at your own pace. Totally free. If you're interested, put your name and email, and I'll send you the link and give you access to it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.